Hi guys, welcome to another video about dbFlux. Today I want to show you another nice feature. It's called dbLock. Let's say I want to make changes to a package and change some lines of code and compile the body. In this case, I get a warning message which indicates that this file is locked by another user, and therefore I have to ask that person if he wants to keep the lock or not. And of course, I did that already, and to unlock that file, I call the command dbFlux unlock current file. And so I am able to lock that file for my purpose, just to show anybody on the team that I'm working on that file. And now I'm able to compile it just with the options shown in the videos before. The icons indicate if the file is locked by you or by another user. And on the left hand side, you see the view panel, which shows you a tree for the files showing which file is locked by which user. And you have to enable that particular file or that particular feature in your settings. There are three options: one to enable the feature, and one to point to the required REST endpoint, and one with a token to authenticate your requests. To use dbLock, you have to install it by yourself independently from the current dbFlux or dbFlow project you are just using. So you are able to install it only one time for all your projects. Just follow the instructions and the documentation for dbFlux and on the documentation for dbLock itself on GitHub. That's all for today. Bye.